And hi. So waktu baru nge video aku kali itu. So datang video aku kali itu, and aku berterima kasih lah kita udah klik, udah like, and share video itu. Okay. Thank you guys, and siapa ke baru subscribe channel tu. Thank you udah support channel tu. And kita ke baru subscribe dia tu. And dalam video kali itu aku akan angkat reaction seram baru. Reaction seram. Okay, seram. Okay, seram. Okay, seram. Ya, reaction seram. Okay guys, terus yang mana? Ya, kali itu adalah reaction seram part. Ini part 2. Part 3. Okay. Ngarap kita enjoy video itu untuk kita baru dan channel itu. Kita tak scroll video buka and melalui buka. Channel itu random content and ngarap kita terperindah nggak enjoy video itu sampai habis. And jangan lupa untuk subscribe, share. Okay, ini gagap ke? Okay. Teruskan video itu sampai habis. Alright. Okay, kita bola. Start.
Send it down, Steven. Send it back.
Itu scary random
There we go. Thank you.
video seram.
See if he escapes. Because I'm muscle.
Iya apa itu? Ini ada macam yang kayak patung. Oh, ini bergerak. Tuh keberat time lapse tuh. Kuih nama dah.
Oh! Even the candle went out.
Limu padam. Nama spoil itu tadi kan. Okay guys.
Jerry!
Yeah.
Jerry! Get your ass up here. Hey! Get your ass up here, bitch. It's time to do the fucking dishes. Since you mixed my whites with the darks, we're gonna teach you a little lesson. I'm gonna teach you how to do the dishes. Let's go. Jerry, let's fucking go, man. I'm not waiting all day. Look, you can play dress up later. Let's go. Alright, well, I can only assume that you're up here now. These are dishes, my friend. What? Do you see Jerry? Where's Jerry?
Oh.
Where is he? Is he next to you? Jerry, stop fucking petting the dog. Let's go. You can either choose to do them by hand, like this, or put them in this thing. Come on, Jerry, stop fucking around. Alright, well, I'm gonna leave Jerry to... Bitch!
Dia bisa kau wantu je. Wantu jangan nama Jerry. Kapan kau? Jerry. Kayak apa yang berlaku? Please anda mengejut. Mereka merkah laptop tol ke.
Shit, Courtney, horny again? The fuck?
Okay, sisi dah kedua. Kedua ke atas.
Hey.
Okay. Kita fokuskan benda bulatan merah ya. Kita bisa mendarat nama-nama? Oh, okay, bisa. Kau bisa mendarat jalan. Ada patung yang kisir.
So our house is completely haunted. Yep, this is bad. After we had a priest come and bless the house, things got worse. I even built a Ouija board so we could communicate with our ghost, and this was a very bad idea. I was gonna wait a couple more days to post an update, but this happened last night.
Yeah, because it's right, sends wrong message.
Like and follow for part 13.
So I've just moved into my uni house. Let me explain one of the many issues I have with it. First of all, so all of our rooms are numbered. There are 4 of us living in the house, but there's 5 rooms, and one of them, number 2, is locked. This is obviously because there's only 4 tenants in the house, but they only asked for 4 tenants. So this is my room, and that is the room number 2. So yesterday we moved in, apart from one of us. So 3 of us moved in, me, Jack and Emily, but Jack stayed at his girlfriend's house, so it's just me and Emily here. Emily's in the room upstairs. I'm the only one on the same floor as this room, and I couldn't sleep because my back really hurt, so I was like up for like half the night, and I was hearing some weird noises, and it was freaking me out because I'm already scared of that room. Like, it was the sound of furniture being moved, and I know it's not Emily because she lives above me, whereas I was hearing it from that direction. And then I checked the time and it was 3:33 a.m. Tell me that's not creepy. Tell me that's not creepy. There's so much more wrong with this house if anyone wants to hear about it.
The room that gives me the most mixed feelings is one that we call the honeymoon suite, which boasts a very large tub. And what I'm pretty sure is the mattress that the 88-year-old owner was conceived on.
You gonna speak or not? Should I do it?
Alright. That door was like, it was shut, but not on the latch, and it's just open. So, yeah. Like,
Now you
I
gotta
got a load of
go.
grief in the comments because I sent you to go and deal with this kind of door, and now that door's triggered, so, and I'm not down for that.
Oh.
What in the fuck?
Antunya ni kau botol air tu.
That's just scared the shit out of me.
What the fuck?
People are going to say that there's something attached to that.
Look at the coffee table as well, showing there's no fucker in it. I'm not down for that.
That's a dishwasher under the, well, you know, unit, washing machine. Where could somebody be hiding? Oh.
That was me.
Oh God, you can't even see up there.
Okay.
Someone will still come up with some sort.
Oh, wait, masih.
People keep telling us to knock on the door, so we're gonna do it. And I just said there was a shadow there earlier. Now I don't think there is, so that's creepy. So,
Pato itu. Okay, nak tunggu pintu.
hello, is anyone home? Hello, police. I'm gonna take my phone case off and try and slide it under the door. It doesn't even fit. What the fuck is wrong with this door? This is the keyhole again. Is that a scratch on the on the wall? See ya. Right, Emily, pack your bags. We go in. We're moving. Yeah, that's the window for it, but you can't. Is that something moving? No. Okay, we're leaving. So, scratch that. We're actually dumb. We ran out onto the street, and then Jack comes out like, "What's wrong?" And we'll be like, "We saw someone in the window," and then we showed him the window, and there's a window for the toilet. Jack was in the toilet.
It's getting dark. Where are you, Joey? Joey, are you in the basement?
Please tell me you see that ghost. Right before the video ends, there is someone in a black dress walking down the stairs. So scary. Rewatch it, you'll see what I'm saying. Also, click the plus icon for daily ghost videos.
Nggak ada benda apa-apa pun. Okay.
What the fuck?
Oh, si orang berjalan. Belanda. Tapi kita nak berada. Okay.
My brother and his wife bought this 130-year-old Victorian home, as is. They got it on a foreclosure. And they just cleared out all this brush and found this cool little Labrador on the side of the porch here. So we're going to go check it out. Bubba, do you know anything about people that used to live here?
They lost their kids over something. I mean, I don't know. It was a good deal. We TikToking?
Yeah. Don't be hating.
Oh, that's fucking creepy.
What's creepy? This is cool. You got a lot of space down here.
Yeah, well.
Hey, beso.
What the fuck, dude?
Oh, that's unnerving.
Oh.
No. No, Bubba, you should have bought a different house.
Okay, so I never thought I'd be doing this because I've seen so many videos, but here we go. So I decided to move out of my place and I found this beautiful 5-bedroom home on Craigslist. And it was only $1,700 a month for a 5-bedroom house. Something I thought was strange is that the renter literally like unlocked the door and dipped up out of there. He was like, all right, I'm not going to come in, but you guys are good to go. I didn't think too much of it until I actually walked in the house. First thing I noticed was this really old picture next to this fireplace, and there was a bunch of these things full of dead spiders all around the house. I put this door in here because something crazy happened in this room. I'll explain in part 2 though. So we went to the basement and we found a dog cage down there with a bowl that said Sophie on it, which is also the name of my mom's dog that passed away. Things ended up getting weirder, like for part 2.
Okay, so I was in my room. I just heard a loud ass fucking bang. And I know I have to record this so someone can believe me. Hello?
Oh, to, nombor ko. Ito, macam mungkin to sambungan hari niya.
What the fuck? That's my sister's dog.
Tuh, pintu buka.
What the fuck? Fuck that, dude!
The scariest haunted house in the world is called McCamey Manor, and now it has multiple locations, but it began in San Diego, California, in Russ McCamey's own home. If you can get all the way through the house, you'll get $20,000, but nobody has ever finished it. But before you can even think of going, you have to be 21 years old, complete a sports physical, pass a drug test, provide proof of medical insurance, be screened via phone, and sign a 40-page waiver. You also have to watch a 2-hour video called And Then There Were None, which features footage of visitors quitting before the end of the experience. The only way visitors can leave is by uttering the phrase, "You really don't want to do this." And all that sounds like it would scare people away, but there's currently a waiting list of over 24,000 people.
Okay, so I'm literally home alone. Listen to how loud and aggressive it is.
Tapi nggak ada orang. Kau tahu rasa rumah berada tadi lah.
Smart move.
Yes. Kita udah habis. Oke guys, udah habis. And guys, thank you lah begitu udah menonton video tuh. And aku harap kita enjoy walaupun aku straight macam nak berapa tak mat feel seram ya. Laban nggak ada yang temannya antu daripada yalah ngarap kita seperti yang enjoy nggak video tuh kalau itu. Sebenarnya tadi aku udah rekam video, udah agak reaction pertama, tapi udah habis sudah reaction punya dalam masa 11 menit lebih aku nge-react tadi. Rupanya aku lupa nekan record untuk OBS ku. Hais, geram. So, asal agak react, tak sabar agak react. Kedua kali ya. Udah nadai semangat ya lah. Udah macam udah berapa bisa nge-react. Gitu. Tapi lantas udah habis kan. Cik baru, nak record. Adai. Aku macam, tak apalah record baru. Ya macam. Okay guys. Nengok. Ngarap kita enjoy aja nggak video kalau tau, aku ngarap kita happy. Jangan lupa untuk share nggak like. Terima kasih lah udah share, nggak subscribe channel tu, lah udah support channel tu. Ngarap ke channel tu makin up. Keempat subscribe kita tahu subscribe bolehkah aku boleh 100 subscriber pertama. 100 pun aku udah boleh lah udah gagal lah, bersyukur, tetap bersyukur walaupun 100 subscriber pertama. Baik aku mau step by step, ada yang berubah biarpun slow nikit tapi yang penting dia upload channel kita pun. Okay, ni ajar aku lister and thank you lah udah subscribe channel tadi, ni ajar aku bye.